Hello my friend and welcome to my channel. Today we've got the breast cancer awareness tag for November 2019 for Mrs. Cronall. I've started off with Nailtiques Formula 2 and today's polish is Folly by Samper Colors. And I'm going to go in with my first coat. This is just an amazing polish. Blows my mind how amazing and excellent Samper Colors can be. I mean, just the opacity, the formula is easy to work with. This one's just dreamy. No issues at all. I am capping my free edge there. I have to go over and get some more on the side over here. Went a little short on that side. There we go. Hi, Woody. How you doing? So there we go. And now I'm going to go in for my second coat of Folly. I've really enjoyed doing these awareness manicures, and today I'm going to share a couple of new plates I found for doing all kinds of awareness manicures. So excited to share these with you, because up until this point it's been rather slim out there. I am going to top it with the Pro FX Quick Dry Top Coat. Get it to dry down so that we can do some stamping. Now I got both of my plates. They're coming up really soon here. I got both of them from Lantern and Wren, and I'm only going to use one of them today, but I am going to show you both of them real quick. I'm so happy to have finally found a plate that was totally dedicated to awareness manicures. The first one's by Clear Jelly Stamper. And it's got some layering, and just, you could use all these images all sorts of ways. I am so excited about this one. Got all kinds of them. And then Uber Chic called Stand Together plate. And it's got a lot of like encouraging sayings on it, but then it's got a lot of images, different ribbon images, some layering also on this one. Just love it. I'm so excited. So happy. Now, they weren't cheap. I think they were both like 15 bucks a piece, but worth every penny in my opinion if you do a lot of awareness manicures. So there we go. So I'm going to pull this blue film off of the which one am I using today? This one's got to be the yeah, Clear Jelly Stamper one, maybe? No, this is the Uber Chic one. I'm sorry. I'm losing my mind. I got so excited about telling y'all about these, my brain just went on the fritz. So I'm going to use a couple of different images, or several. I'm going to do something different on all the nails. Now, that one on camera didn't show up really well, but in real life, it was blingy. And I was so excited. So I am stamping today with Super Chic Lacquer's Rose Buddy. It's not a stamping polish, but her hollows just stamp like a dream, and I just keep going back to them because they do so well. Look how pretty. Bling. Almost blinding. So I decided to be kind of simple today and not just go too crazy over, I didn't really take a whole long time looking at this plate. I just was so excited to actually just break it out and play that I'm doing kind of easy images, full nail images. And I'm running into a problem where the images aren't sticking, so I am getting into my sticky base coat, and I have also broke out Bubble Freeze, because this is a layered one right here, my accent nail. First you put down the little ribbon, and I did that in the Bubble Freeze. It's like a silver hollow. I'm going to put that down on my accent nail. And then you go over it with the butterfly image right here. And I'm going to do that in Rose Buddy. But I could tell you, with some like really contrasting colors, this image, it's going to be so much fun to play with. I mean, just the possibilities are endless. And I didn't get that butterfly like really centered very well, but I was okay with it. And then I'm going to try to do another layered one. Wish me luck. This one's going to end up being the awareness ribbon and a heart. So you turn part of it into a heart. I'm really just so excited. I'm so glad that some makers came out with these plates. Uber Chic and Clear Jelly Stamper rock. They are so good. They're good plates too. No problems with any of these images. So here we go. I'm going to line that up, turn that part of it into a heart. Yay! And then I'm going to add a little bit of this little like celebration confetti on the tip of my thumb because I had kind of a boo-boo on it, so I just wanted to kind of make it less noticeable. And I'm going to clean up with tape as usual, and then go in with my cleanup brush, because you know, gotta get it tidy before the top coat. I just don't want to top coat anything into my skin, you know. So I'm going to use the Maniology Smudge Free Top Coat. I don't know that I really needed it, but I'm kind of spoiled to it now. So I'm going to go ahead and put that on there. And once it's completely dry, I'm going to use the Super Chic lacquer. And this is that Marble Macro top coat. Just going to make it pop. And it's so glossy and nice. I would use this top coat for everything if I could afford it. It's a really nice one. There we go. I'm going to cap that free edge there. So I am going to leave for a link for Mrs. Cronall down below. I would love for you to go check her channel out. And here it is in motion. A little bit of bling bling going on. So I would love to hear what you think about this manicure of mine. Please leave me a comment down below. I always love hearing from you. And here is my swatch photo as well. And that is it for me today. So I want to thank you for watching. Until next time, be good to yourself.